Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Netflix not working Discord. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser, and here once you open it you'll see a three dot icon, right? Simply click on it and then click on settings, and once you're inside settings, on the search bar simply type in acceleration, and once you type it you'll see an option that says use hardware acceleration when available. Now if it is turned on, then turn it off, and then you'll have that relaunch button. Simply click on it and then the browser will reload, and that will fix the issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your Discord app and then click on settings. Now scroll down and click on voice and video, and once you're inside here, scroll down and under this advanced you'll see these two options, that is OpenS264 video codec provided by Cisco Systems. Simply toggle this off and then try again. And now if that doesn't fix the issue, then the next thing that you can do is scroll down and then you'll find this option, that is use our latest technology to capture your screen. Simply toggle this off, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.